In this tutorial I want to show you the content cropping. Content cropping is a tool we only have in the bike production version, not in the archive version. It's a special developed tool for making it easier to crop and split your images without having to have a doubt if it's cropped well or without checking all the images. I select here a few images. I go to the cropping here on the left and I choose book, content, cautious book. I could also use the neural network, but I will do now the content cropping. Later I will show you the neural. Then we go to the first step and it searches for the content. In the first step I leave it like it is. I see how it found the content. Here the green is the left crop field, the split line in the right crop field in the first step. Here you see first step. I say OK. And then it looks at all the images in batch for the content. If something is cropped within the text, then you would see a warning sign here, a triangle, red. But you don't see it, so you could say OK now, because there is no text within the cropping field. But maybe you say yes, with the cropping I want a more wider cropping. Okay, we will look at it, but I first show you the images. That no red content is within the cropping. So you can be sure nothing is cut off. Now I will make a wider field, and you see on the right side it's also changed, so it's synchronized. I like it this. You could also in the right here say enable, then you see the cropping. You could adjust it, it's not necessary because it's not within the cropping. Then I say recalculate. It recalculates all the images and nothing is wrong. Now I can look at my new. Here you see all the images have the new cropping. Okay, I say okay. And it's cropped perfect without a doubt. Yes, I hope you like this tool. It's only in the production, so if you want to use this tool you have to buy the production. I hope you have a good day.